It's April 22nd, and I'm working on the Blue Bomber. So I did a little work on the black car today, and then working on the Blue Bomber here. My wonderful brother bought me a gas tank for this car because the gas tank leaked and was really stinky and made a lot of fumes inside the cabin. So he bought me this gas tank and got it shipped from Summit, and I'm just taking it out here. You can see I'm using my tranny jack that I just bought to put the tranny in a few days ago, and this thing is super handy. Got the tank out, came out in about 2 seconds. But you know, I just found out why my tank stunk so bad of just raw gas all the time. And it's because there's a small pinhole in the top of the tank. So strange. I've never seen that before. I don't know how that happens, and maybe something got in between the body and the tank, and they Dukes of Hazzard the car and just came down and punctured it. But that's the culprit. You can see gasoline has spilled out right here. You can see it with this outline, and that's the hole, I guess. You know, there's not really a hole anyplace else. It's unfortunate that I had to buy, you know, or my brother had to buy a whole gas tank in order to find that. I've had the tank out, gosh, a couple times, and I never saw it, but I probably never saw it because I never put a lot of gasoline in it. So it may have, you know, just really opened up, cleaned it because the dirt came off. But yeah, that's the culprit right there. And here's it almost looks like a rust spot, but it definitely goes in right there. I don't know, it's just really strange. It's an old car, you know, it's 40 some years old, who knows. But that's the culprit. Little tiny pinhole in there. Gasoline's coming out. In any event, there you have it. See ya. Okay, the tank's back up in there. Just got to finish up some wiring right there. You can see that it got crunched in shipping a little bit. Not a big deal, but it'll still work. And then up top, you can see where the filler neck is. It's out of place, but that was one of the big complaints online on the Summit Summit site, was that the neck was out of place. So I think I'll gently put a bar down there and get it into place a little better so I can get the cap on. Other than that, there you go. Filler neck's in place. I put a bar in it and moved it a little bit and persuaded it and then put the cap on. Fits pretty good. Camaro's back together and running. There you go. See ya. Bye. Just got back from a test drive after putting the gas tank in. Runs really good. I drove it about, I don't know, 25 or 30 miles on my test drive. Put some gas in it. Everything works really well. Just amazing that, you know, this thing was languishing away in a wrecking yard or somebody's back 40 for 20 plus years, and here it is on the road. Yeah, it drives really well. It's got a few little squeaks and quirks and so forth, but she'll flat get with it. She does second gear scratch real easy. It's amazing. Anyway, project complete for now. See ya. Bye.